Good morning. This is a 2016 Buick Cascada. It's got the big blackout wheels on it. This one has the black leather with the convertible top. Beautiful interior. Power seat on the passenger side. We've got all kinds of heated seats. Let's see, does it have? It has navigation. Very nicely appointed. Beautiful backlighting, perforated seats. Very, very good looking rear fascia on it. It has the backup camera, XM radio. My name's Rick Palmer with Columbiana Buick, Cadillac, and Chevy, and you can call or text me at 330-831-4731. It would be my pleasure to help you. Thank you kindly. Bye-bye.